a must-have credit card that you need right now. Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this very important video, we are going to show you how you can get this no impact on credit card, and yes, you can apply that very easily. And in this video we are going to give you the step-by-step guide, as we always do in each and every video of ours, so you can apply this credit card and get it approved as soon as possible. Remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it, and please smash the like button as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Well, it's time to make history, because this time Petal Credit Card is providing a financial product that is a perfect fit for millions of Americans, and they say making credit history. Well, in this video we are going to review this credit card, and remember that Petal has several credit cards that we are going to review first, and then we will give you the step-by-step guide how you can fill out the application to get approved for this Petal credit card. Remember that this is a very important video, so make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part at all, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. So the Petal said, welcome to credit, no experience necessary. Yes, and the great thing is that apply once for your best offers across all 3 Petal cards. They have 3 Petal cards, and yes, we are going to show them. But remember that first we are going to tell you that what are these credit cards, and the credit cards are right here in front of you. Well, they have 3 credit cards. So let's say Petal 1, Petal 1 Rise, and Petal 2. Well, they should align it properly, but let's start with Petal 1 first. So Petal 1 credit card is for the people who are looking to build credit without any annual membership fee. Remember that when it comes to the Petal 1 credit card, there is $0 annual fee, means there is no annual fee at all, and the cashback can go from 2% to a massive 10% at selected merchants, and we will tell you about it, so make sure you stay with us till the end of this video. And you know what we love about it? That usually when it comes to the credit cards, which are exclusively tailored for people who are in the phase of building credit, well, they give $300, $500, sometimes $700, but they can go up to $5,000. You heard it absolutely right. A credit card to build your credit, and the credit limit is up to $5,000. A good opportunity. Well, they have the variable APR starting from 25 to 35%, so keep that in mind. And then paired to a credit limit increase, and yes, they have certain criteria, like you make certain payments and then they will increase your credit limit. So yes, this is a very important, a very easy credit card, so make sure this is the beginning one. So this is actually for beginners, actually that's what I meant to say. So the next one is Petal 1 Rise. Petal 1 Rise is for people who would like to simply build credit, right? It has an annual membership fee of $59. It's for the people who have literally poor credit or bad credit. They also have the cashback from 2% to 10%. The credit limit goes up to $3,500, a good one, and the APR starts from 29 to 36%. And of course, they also have some criteria to credit limit increase. And yes, this is something that we need to look for. And then they have the higher tier card, that is Petal 2. I also have one of them and I love it. And the reason is because of the cashback, and of course, they do credit limit increase in a lightning fast manner. Seriously, like I believe I got approved for $1,000 or something, and then they increased my credit limit up to $5,000 like in a matter of months, I believe, and this is amazing, right? So the annual membership, there is no fee of any kind, cashback 1.2% to 1.5%. Credit limit from $300 to $10,000. Well, I personally have this card and I love it. And the variable APR is from 19% to 32%. Not bad. I think I do have around 18.24% because my credit score was a little better at that time. I don't know about now. I need to check. And I'm also going to take you a journey on my credit score, how I improved my credit score from literally 500 to all the way 830, and I'm going to make a dedicated video about it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to watch that video when we upload it, and smash the like button if you haven't done it right now. So moving on, well, they have a very strange and a very interesting sort of a criteria to getting approved for the card. Well, they would like you to link a bank account. It's completely safe. I did it myself, right? And they see that what's your bank account data, like what's your bank statement stuff, how much balance you have, and then they actually calculate your credit limit according to that. Well, they also would like to see your financial history, and then they will give you the best offers available. Well, I love their app as well because this is very simple. As you can see, get a credit limit increase, get on track to unlock credit limit increase. Current credit limit is $500, and you know, like the criteria is simple: pay on 6 months in a row, and then you can get your credit limit increase as soon as possible. This is wonderful, you know, like I personally love it. And but one thing that is a drawback, but I never recommend it, that they don't have cash advances, means you cannot withdraw the money. They don't have that option, but I kind of like it because, you know, like it comes with very high APR. So make sure that you remember this. Well, they have statement credit, and it's pretty easy, so I don't think so like I need to go and tell you anything about this card. So let's go on the step-by-step guide how you can fill out the application. So I'm going to click right here on apply now. As soon as I click on it, this form will open. I'm going to zoom in right here, and the lovely thing is that you can get this card with no impact to your credit score. Yes, you heard it right. See which pedal card, it's right for you with no impact to your credit score. But when you approve or agree, or you can say accept the offer that they give you, then they will do a hard pull, where it's going to be just a formality because you already approved for it. So first, you need to put your email address, confirm your email address, your first legal name, your middle initial, your last name, your suffix, your phone number, your street address, your city, your state, your zip code. Almost done. Now they need your social security number, your birth date, your employment status, if you're a student or not, your income type, your annual income amount, your housing type, and your monthly housing cost. And of course, the last question, how did you hear about us? You can actually always use social media, or if you would like to put our name, you can do that. Well, remember that one thing is very important: whatever information you put, make sure that you verify it with your credit profile. Make sure it matches your credit profile, because they are going to do a soft pull which will not impact your credit score, but at the same time they will need this to verify your information. So make sure you remember this, that you need to put the information that exactly matches the information you have on your credit profile. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Remember that we are going to upload another video, as we already mentioned, $15,000 personal loan with no credit check. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon to watch that video, and please smash the like button. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.